So now we're going into our warehouse. We moved in here just over a year ago. We actually have a robotic vacuum here too. Let me just stop that. There's always someone working here, whether it's a human or a robot, we're always here. So this is where we house all of our finished products. So all of our lumber, you can see on the wall here on the right. So this is our warehouse forklift. And one thing that I never thought I would get excited about my entire life is a loading dock. This is my favorite thing about this entire building, the loading dock. It's pretty much the coolest thing at Live Edge Timber, I think. Check it out. I never thought I would have my own loading dock. It's pretty cool, right? So this goes directly into the truck, so allows us to go directly into the truck with either forklifts or pump carts. So life-changing, honestly. So this is the warehouse toy, Kevin's little toy now. He loves this. I can't drive it, but he enjoys driving it. And it's called a Reach lift. And we just got this 3 months ago. So changed our lives as well. So Kevin loves to play with these kind of things. I mean, it's exciting, but not so much for me. So usually when we're open, there's a lot going on here. We're packing tons of orders. We ship all of our orders for our retailers from here. And one thing that we also do that a lot of people don't know about is that we do finished furniture. So we also sell tables and desks and other items to Branchot, located in Gatineau, and we're now in all 6 stores. So these are some tables that are shipping out to them this week. And we have some cool new products coming. These are our ovals that we're really excited about. We have these available in pine and maple. So we just got these in. Another cool thing is our mantelpieces. So these just came in a few weeks ago as well. So these will be available starting next month in September. And we think these are awesome and we're really excited about getting them into stores soon. Now we're gonna go to the metal shop. So we actually design everything, Kevin does. And we actually manufacture everything right here in our own factory in Ange-Gardien. So come along. So here we are. So we have 3 stations. We have our assembly station, our welding station, and then our grinding station. And then we also have what we call our clean room that we use for packaging. So this is where we clean all of our furniture legs and we package them. So pretty much all the fixtures and everything you see here, we design ourselves and we manufacture it ourselves. So this entire thing was designed by Kevin and we made it and we installed it here. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some cool facts because I think it's pretty awesome. So Kevin actually designs all of our products, and things that people don't know is that everything we do is actually laser cut, and our actual legs are made from one tube. So all of this is actually one tube. So the pieces actually get bent and then they get welded and it's one piece. So I think that's pretty awesome. So it's really precise, it's really strong, and I think it looks awesome. So when we first started, we actually had one table and we still have it now. I actually told Kevin 100 times I want a new one, but he thinks this is great. So this is our first table that we had in the metal shop. It was actually in the shop before we moved in, and we kept it. So it's just like this plywood table that we still use today for grinding. But in the beginning, we were using this for everything. So it was our welding table and our grinding table, and I actually welded and tacked for the first time in my life. I was absolutely terrified, and I actually got pretty good at it. So a little bit of history about us. So hope you enjoyed our metal factory tour. Hope you learned something, and see you again soon. Kevin, I'm not done. A lot of people think that we're actually this gigantic corporation, but now I'm sure you can see it's still pretty small and a family business. So thanks for tuning in to Live Edge Timber Co. Cribs, but now we gotta go and make some more money.